Hi students, in class today I'm going to be showing you how to make honey and lemon soap. So this is a honey lemon soap made in SoapLab Malaysia. So the first ingredient that we'll need here is basically you will need the honey soap base from SoapLab Malaysia. Now this honey soap base is 100% natural and it's made in our factory. So what you have to do is take about 1 kilo of it and just cut it into small pieces like this. Now the reason why we cut it into small pieces like this is so that it's easier to melt. So usually we'll melt it in the microwave, but if you don't have a microwave, you can always use a double boiler or induction cooker directly about 60 degrees or so just to melt it. It hardly takes 1 minute to do it when you cut it small like this. So next is once it's already all melted, we're going to be adding in lemon essential oil. Now this essential oil, make sure to use the one that's specifically for cosmetic grade and it's not industrial grade like for diffuser or aromatherapy. You can't use that here. Next, we're going to be adding in honey extract. This honey extract, we're going to be adding in about 20 gram of it into 1 kilo of soap. Now the reason why we use extract instead of the real honey is because the extract is much more potent, and secondly it's cosmetic grade, so it doesn't reduce the shelf life of your soap. So once you mix it all like this already, what you're going to do is you're just going to pour it into a mold like this. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to be spraying it rubbing alcohol first, and then I'm pouring about half of it into the mold. Now the rubbing alcohol, we are using it so that it sanitizes the mold. Now once that's done, I'm going to be using one of my older scraps. So here we have a pre-made soap bases that looks like lemon slices, and we're just going to be putting it in. Now make sure that when you put it in, your soap is not too hot because you don't want to melt this existing lemon soap. Okay, so now once that's done, I'm going to be cutting down a little bit of tree butter soap, so because I wanted it to be 2 layer, one is white color and one is honey like brownish color. So anyway, I'm doing the same thing here. I'm going to melt it in the microwave, and then after that I'm going to be pouring it into the mold. Now when all this is done, all you have to do is wait for an hour or two, and then after that you can unmold it and you can already use the soap. Now if you're someone who wants to do DIY, please don't forget to follow us, and if you wanted to purchase any of these ingredients, do contact us. We do sell online, or you can also walk into our office in Subang Jaya. So anyway, for those of you who wanted to start your business, we do have packages for business people. So if you need any information at all, please don't hesitate to contact us. My name is Nisha, a pharmacist and formulator, and if you have any other questions, do comment below. So as you can see, our soap is done. You can already use as is. You don't have to wait for it to cure because this is a cured soap base.